So the second step in solving the 4x4 cube is pairing the edge pieces, and the way you can, like this. So these are two pieces that are already paired correctly. So you search for blocks like this on the cube, and yeah, therefore you have to find the same. So this is green and orange, and this is also green and orange. And if you want to connect them, you actually want this one flipped, because here it should be orange, because you're going to connect them like this. So well, it's the first one, but let me show you how you can flip this piece. You can do it with an R, a left inverted, a U, an F, a U inverted, and an L. And now you can see the orange and green is here, and this is also the orange and green. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna pair them up here, move them to the top, replace them with another broken pair, and then repair it again. So you do it like this. You connect them, and now you see you break these two, but don't worry about that. You bring them to the top layer, you replace them with another broken pair, you bring the other broken pair down, and you restore the center pieces. And now these two are correct, they're in the top layer, you can just move them anywhere, and you can continue start solving. So well, here again you have blue and orange, but needs to be flipped. So let's bring it up, bring this one up, U, F, U inverted, and an L, and now it's flipped, so you can just connect them like that, bring it to the top layer. This does not seem to be broken, but it is. So replace it and bring the replaced pair down and correct the other layer. So let's find another pair that we can do. So let's go for the yellow and blue. Now, well, it's a coincidence, I have to flip them every time, but here is yellow and blue. So let's flip it again, bring this one up, bring this one up, make a U, make an F, U inverted, and the other one down again. And now the two are there, and let's see if there is a broken pair in the top. There is. I will put them here. So now you can just connect them, bring it up, replace it with the broken pair, bring it down again, and fix the centers again. And you can continue with this work until all the center pieces are solved, except one set of pieces. So as you can see, we now created all these blocks on the cube, except for these two, and where's the other one? These two. So they're in the same side, but this is not how you want it. You actually want them to position exactly the same. So let's just use the algorithm that we already know to flip the pieces. One, bring it up, rotate it once, bring it back down, rotate it back again, bring it back down. And as you can see, you've now put them in exactly the same position. And to now connect them, you can do the following algorithm. That's a double layer D, R, F inverted, U, R inverted, F, and the correction of the layer, a double D. And as you can see now, you've also solved the last two edge pieces, and you can continue solving this cube like it is a 3x3 cube, because now this is, let's say, one edge piece. These four are the center pieces of a normal edge cube, or of a normal cube, and these are the corner pieces of the 3x3 cube. So you can just continue solving your cube like a 3x3 cube.